Yes guys, it's Henny here again and welcome to another video. Well, in this video we're going to be talking about how the Smile Direct Club Plan works. So, of course, if you are new to this, I have a Smile Direct treatment plan for my teeth. In this video we're going to be mainly talking about how the whole plan works. Of course, you get your whole box. Maybe you have 3 months, 6 months. So usually on average you have 3 to 6 months. That's all the treatments. I have 8 months. But how does the treatment actually work? How many movements are being done to your teeth? So for example, for myself, which is 8 months, there will be 8 major shifts in my teeth. For month 1, you're gonna get week 1, aligner 1, and week 2, aligner 2. Then week 3 and 4, you're gonna get 1 aligner to kind of put everything together. So this is how the whole process works. This is from my personal research and my own experience. How everything actually works is the first month, the first aligner you put on is what actually does the major shifts, the major movement in your teeth. So if you have a 6 months plan, there will be 6 major movements to correct your smile. That's essentially what they do. But you're like, oh, but why do I get 3 aligners for 1 month? So think about it this way. You go to the gym every day, but you don't literally go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Even people who are like athletes and whatever you are, there are rest days, because resting is what actually helps muscles and your body grow. So of course your teeth is inside a bunch of muscles, so you have to let it rest. So this is what happens. The main first week you put that aligner on, that's what does the major shift and the major movement. That's the main treatment for that month. So that main shift happens and you notice that every single month, that first aligner is what actually hurts for like at least 4 to 5 days. Then the second week aligner, that's aligner number 2 for the month, is what actually, it kind of cushions it, help you. Of course, it's gonna push it just a little bit, maybe like by 10% of what week 1 did, but it's just gonna help you maintain where you are. Then week 3 and 4 is giving your mouth a rest also, and kind of helping your teeth like get used to the current position, because you do not just want to jump from month 1, the aligner 1 for month 1, and jump to the aligner 2 for month 2 and just get everything done in a short period of time. Maybe like if it's a 6 month plan, you get that done in 6 weeks. It's detrimental to you because your body needs rest. And if you don't take the precautionary advice and you're like, yeah, I just want to rush through it, just so many things that can happen. You can have plaques in your teeth, you can have so many things. You can start bleeding from your gum, and you can even lose a tooth, which is not the plan. Anyways guys, that's it from me. This was quite a short video. If you are new, please click that subscribe button, and of course leave the video a like if you enjoyed this content. And if you've got any question, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to respond to your comments. That's it from me, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace. Well, that's it, I'm done.